Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set timer on iPhone selfie camera. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the camera. If the camera is set to the back camera, just go ahead and flip the camera to turn it to the front facing camera or the selfie camera. Now go ahead and click on your camera menu on iOS 26. Click on the menu at top right. On iOS 18, you'll be able to click on the menu here or swipe up the camera like this to review the menu, or click on the pointed arrow here on your iOS 18 to review the menu. On iOS 26, you need to click on the menu at top right. Click on timer. Then you should see your timer pop. Now go ahead and select your camera timer. And it's going to add the camera timer to the camera screen. Click on the shutter button and you should see the timer countdown. Once the timer countdown is set, this is going to shut the camera by itself. And that is it. So if you go to your Photos app, then you should see the front facing camera you took with timer like this. So if you go back again, you should still see the timer. So you need to go ahead and turn off the timer. If you want to disable the camera timer, by clicking on the menu and click on timer and then turn off the timer, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to set timer on iPhone selfie camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.